Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, backup contacts and note consequences because carrier services will stop. Flip airplane mode on, then manually turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to prevent background links. If you need a stronger sever, eject the physical SIM or deactivate the eSIM in settings. This removes the phone from the provider's network. Once done, make sure apps that auto-reconnect are closed. These actions stop cellular and radio signals while keeping your data intact. Next, tighten call routing. Disable Wi-Fi calling and VoLTE so voice doesn't travel over alternate channels, and turn off any carrier-specific calling features. Enable Do Not Disturb and block individual numbers. Alternatively, forward calls to voicemail from the phone settings if you want silent handling. Also revoke network permissions and stop background sync for apps that might trigger connections. Once configured, monitor for missed call behavior and confirm no automatic reconnections occur when you toggle radios back on. Finally, verify isolation. Test by calling your number from a different phone. Your device should be unreachable or show offline. For absolute physical isolation, place the powered-down device in a Faraday pouch to block all signals. If you still receive calls or messages, restart the phone, recheck carrier and Wi-Fi calling settings, and remove eSIM/SIM as a last step. One key troubleshooting tip: if calls still get through, contact your carrier to confirm no network forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.